Hi there, and welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and become more successful. It's your girl Joy.
And I am Bessie. Today we'll be talking about a field that has been regarded as the sexiest job of the 21st century, data science.
That's right. We will talk about what data science is all about, why it is so important and very lucrative, the amazing job opportunities it offers, and how you can learn this in-demand skill at Abuja Technologies.
What is data science? Data science is all about extracting insights from complex data. It comprises of statistics, machine learning, and programming to analyze large data sets and solve real-world problems.
Exactly. A data scientist digs deep into data to help find patterns, trends, and predictions to help companies make a well-informed and smarter decisions, improve products, and better understand customers.
Why is data science important in 2025? Data is growing faster than ever, and companies need experts who can help them make sense of it all. By 2025, data science will become even more valuable than ever. This is because businesses are now realizing how data-driven insights can transform their strategies and boost success.
And this isn't limited to just one industry. Data science is very crucial in tech, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and many other fields, as it helps to solve complex problems and also drives innovation. Now, how can you learn data science at Abuja Technologies? At Abuja Technologies, our data science program covers everything you need to know, from data wrangling and machine learning to building predictive models.
We use industry standard tools and languages like Python, R, and SQL. You'll be working on real projects, from analyzing data sets to creating visualizations and even building machine languages models.
By the end of this course, you will have a portfolio with real-world projects on data science you can showcase to potential employers.
Career and job opportunities in data science. Data science opens you up to amazing career opportunities. You can work as a data scientist, a machine learning scientist, a data engineer, or even an AI specialist.
And this role comes with impressive salaries because data science requires technical and analytical skills. Companies are willing to invest in people who can bring this expertise. Now let's talk about the opportunities in Nigeria and abroad when it comes to data science. In Nigeria, more industries are adopting data science to stay competitive. From financial services to tech startups, companies are hiring data scientists to drive their strategies.
Globally, data science is one of the most sought after skills. Companies abroad are now offering remote positions, so you could be here in Nigeria working for international clients and teams. Yes, you can. Why should someone learn data science? Learning data science allows you to work on real projects and make real impact. You're not just analyzing numbers, you're helping companies make big decisions and innovate.
And with this more practical approach, you will learn everything you need to start a successful career in data science. It is the perfect field for anyone who loves solving complex problems and also wants a high impact job. So if you're ready to dive into the world of data science, check out Abuja Technologies Data Science Program. This could be your ticket to an exciting career out there.
Thank you for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover is a key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye!